Hello everyone, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I am going to present what is Enum and why we use Enum. So already I have prepared some examples what is Enum, why we use. So I will explain one by one. Firstly we are go with the what is Enum. So Enum is basically it's a value type data types and it's a very powerful data types that is used to assign the name or string to integral constant and that make program easy to read and maintain. So you can say that it's if you need to define a group of constant, like then you are go with the enums. Like suppose if you need to define days of the weeks, like month of the years, then you can go with the enums. Like I here you can see that I define it's a definition is basically very easy. If you just name to the enums and define the name days of the weeks, and then you can inside the enums you can assign the name everything constant you want. And in your application, so you can use based on the condition like days of the week, you can directly access like days of the week. And if you want to access any days, then you can just put the Saturday, Monday and Tuesday, and you can get that particular value, right? So but why we don't use directly over there, you have questions. So if you use this kind of things that like make a program very readable, code is also very readable and maintainable. And also one things, if you want to get any values, like suppose you define inside in a 12 of constants you define, and if you want to want to get particular some numbers the program should returns, then you can just assign a number inside that. Here you can say that also I create like a status of that particular task. We can define a four constants: in progress, close, open, hold. So that kind of things, if you are required in your project, then you can use simply over that. And here you can see that I also use status code API status code. So if you use OK 200 not found 404 and internal server error 500, so if you want to return that kind of integer, that kind of status code in your program, then you can simply assign. So by default enum assign the integer, like suppose this is the day of week, so by default it's start to the 0 index, like Monday is 0, Tuesday is 1, Wednesday is 3, Thursday 4. That kind of series by default it considered, right? So so in the some competitive exams or some other interviewer sometimes ask, or if you are appearing exams in Nagero or some other any coding challenges, so they have some objective questions like this. So suppose this is the start from 0 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and after going what I assign Wednesday equals to 8, right? So in that case, what should be the value of Thursday? I have assigned a Wednesday 9, and in that case what should be the value of Friday, Saturday and Sunday going forwards? So that kind of questions usually asked in the competitive exams or interview or any coding rounds you face, like. So in that case you got the like it's increase the series like Wednesday 9, Thursday. Then if you want to get the value of Friday, then 9, 10 and 11 is the value of Friday. So I just show you. So if you access like days of the week dot Saturday, then you can got the like Saturday results. And if you conversion, if you like convert integer types, then like day job dig dot Monday, then it's return the value types. If you convert to the integers, then enum should return the values. So I can show you, I just add one more value to the Friday, and you can see I just copy that particular result and paste it, and I want to execute the result Friday, days of the week dot Friday I want to access. Then you can like get the result. So I just also add some strings, so you can take care that this is the Friday, and concatenate that strings, right? So now I am going to execute this program. So here you can see that what is the value of Friday and what is the default value of the Monday, right? So I am just executing the programs. So my system is again bit slow, so it might be take some more times as usual, so keep patience guys. Yeah, here you can see. So I can get the result Saturday 0, 0 is the value of Monday, and Friday it should return 11. Why it should return 11? Because I assign a Wednesday 9, 10 and it's 11. So that type of use of enums we usually use in our applications or in our programs. So if you have any questions, then put it in the comment box. I will definitely try to resolve that particular things. And if you have any suggestions how to improve, or how I need to explain some more things, then you can put in the chat box. We all are here to learnings, so no issue for that. Happy learning. Thank you for watching this channel.